First, go to the home screen of your Samsung phone. Touch and hold an empty area on the home screen. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap Settings. On the home screen settings page, tap Hide Apps. You will now see two sections. The top section shows the apps that are currently hidden. The bottom section shows all the apps that are available on your phone. If the camera app appears in the top section under Hidden Apps, tap the minus icon on the camera app. This removes the camera app from the Hidden Apps list. Now tap Done in the bottom right corner to save the changes. Return to the home screen. The camera app icon will now appear again. That's it. This is how you can unhide the camera app on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.